வைஷுபீடியா தமிழ் சேனலுக்கு உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறேன்.
கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் 27th to 31st July. ஜூலையோட கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் பார்க்க போறீங்க. வேர்ல்ட் ட்ரௌனிங் ப்ரிவென்ஷன் டே 25th July, வேர்ல்ட் மேங்க்ரூவ் டே 26th July, CRPF celebrates its 83rd Rising Day on 27th July. B.S. Yediyurappa resigned as the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Uttar Pradesh joined hands with Scipio Analytics to review the distribution automation software. The Philippines becomes the first country to approve genetically modified golden rice for commercial production. CARE rating projects the Indian economy to grow 8.8% to 9% FY 22nd. Appointments. C. Vijay Kumar was appointed as the Managing Director of HCL Technologies Limited. Kajal Chakraborty wins the Norman Borlaug National Award. Book author Amitabh Khan releases book on Indian startup ecosystem. A new book titled Why We Need How We Rise was authored by Michael Anthony Holding. Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari releases a book on post Article 370 Kashmir. JNCASR ranked 23rd among top 50 rising institutions in Nature Index 2021 for material science. 28th July current affairs பார்க்க போறீங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் வர ஸ்லைடில் டே வேர்ல்ட் ஹெப்படைட்டிஸ் டே 28th July, வேர்ல்டு நேச்சர் கன்சர்வேஷன் டே 28th July. Assam CM Hemant Biswa Sharma lies the foundation stone for the bamboo industrial park. Karnataka becomes the first state in India to provide reservation for transgender in all government services. Raja Bomi was sworn in as the 23rd Chief Minister of Karnataka. Becomes the first green city to achieve the IGBC Green Cities Platinum rating. Puri becomes India's first city to achieve 24/7 quality drinking water supply. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath launches the My Govern Mary Chakra portal. Uzbekistan hosts a 2-day Central South Asia Connectivity Conference for 2021. Indo-Russia Joint Military Exercise Indra 2021 is said to be held at Volgograd, Russia. Najib Mikhat was appointed as the new Prime Minister of Lebanon. INS Talwar participates in maritime exercise Katlas Exercise Express 2021 in Kenya. UNESCO declares Gujarat the Harappan city of Dholvira as a World Heritage Site. Former CJI Sarath Aravind Bade was confirmed with the Honorary Doctor of Laws degree. Das was first ever Olympic gold medal for the Philippines. Japanese Moji Nishida was the first ever Olympic gold in women's street skateboarding. Bermuda becomes the smallest country to win the Olympic gold medal after Flora Duffy claims triathlon gold medal. 29th July. International Tiger Day 29th July. Bangalore International Airport Limited partners with IBM for its digital and IT transformation. Kerala Police launched Pink Production Project for safety and protection of women. Indore becomes the first Indian city to be selected for the International Clean Air Catalyst Program. SDL Governance develops world's first cab hailing platform on open source tech. Madhya Pradesh government announced Ayush-based economic upgrade scheme Devaranya Yojana. Union Cabinet approves deposit insurance and credit granted corporation ensuring 5 lakh for depositor in 90 days. FamPay partners with Visa to launch India's first digital card FamCard Me. Amazon India partners with Incred to offer credit to e-commerce retailers. IIT Hyderabad develops India's first rapid electronic COVID-19 RNA test kit COVID appointments. Rakesh Asthana was appointed as the Delhi Police Commissioner. Brazil Landscapes Garden Sitio Beryl marks earns UNESCO World Heritage status. 3 Indian SMEs among UNS winners for the best small business for good food for all. Indian badminton legendary Nandu Natekar passed away at 88. US Nobel Prize winning physicist Stephen Weinberg passed away at 88. 30 July. World Day Against Trafficking in Person 30 July. Rajasthan government launches the mission Neratak Banu to foster exports for Rajasthan. Jammu and Kashmir ends an MOU with their JSW Foundation for the restoration conservation of Shalimar and Nishad Gardens. UN Food System Pre-Summit 2021 was held in a hybrid mode in Rome, Italy. Union Minister of State for External Affairs Rajkumar Ranjan Singh inaugurates the BRICS Civil Forum 2021. Global Education Summit begins in London. Intel partners with CBSE to launch AI for All initiative. Mumbai-based illustrator Anand Radhakrishnan wins the prestigious Will Elisner Comic Industry Award. Nathura Tiger Reserve wins the Northwest Group Earth Heroes Award for Best Management Appointments. Pham Minh Chinh was re-elected as the Prime Minister of Vietnam. Chaturvedi was appointed as the new CEO of Bharat Bill Pay System. 31st July, current affairs. World Ranger Day, 31st July. Chief Minister of Odisha Navin Patnaik launches the One Nation, One Ration card across Odisha. The largest 3 gigawatts Leon battery factory is set to build in Noida. JICA signs an agreement with IIT Hyderabad for Technology Cooperation Project Friendship. Indian scientists discover material that self-repair mechanical damages. Vice Admiral S.N. Government takes charge as the new Vice Chief of Indian Navy. Indian origin author Sanjeev Sahota among 30 contenders in the long list for Fiction 2021 Booker Prize.
Victorian singer Asha Bhosle was selected for the prestigious Maharashtra Bhushan Puraskar.
Book and author, novelist Kanal Basha's new book title In an Ideal World is set to be released in 2022. The new book title India vs China, Why They Are Not Friends was authored by Kandi Bajpai. Former England fast bowler Mike Hedrick passed away at 72. A 19-year-old Pakistani climber Shiroz Kasif becomes the world's youngest person to scale K2 mountain. Pakistan wins first ever Olympic medal as the Polina Gorvia wins a silver medal in weightlifting. Avantika Agarwal wins the women's national online chess title. Thank you.